Hello. I look crusty, but I'm about to get my life together. Don't worry. I just got back from the beauty supply because we're about to install May's protective hairstyle. Anyway, honestly just been running errands and spending money. Like, that's ghetto. But yeah, so we're gonna be installing Kinky Twist, and I want the ends to be curly. It's slightly ombre. It's only like black to brown. I don't have an easy setup for the shower, and anytime I've ever like uploaded a video with a shower scene, it's like, it's a lot. So I'm probably not going to record me washing my hair. I'll just come back when I'm done. But right now I'm about to put I'm about to pre-poo so that when I get in the shower, it's already like detangled. Makes it like way easier. The ginger braids that I had for the month of April, I just took them out last night, and I just braided my hair in this like big fat ponytail.
But she's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian up. Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? No, don't waste my time. No, I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, I wanna turn on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna need you. That's the least I'ma do.
I find it best when I do this on stretched hair, so whether you want to blow dry it or just braid it the night before, it helps with not having tangles as you're like parting and twisting your sections. I use Lotta Body Curl and Style Milk. It's really thick. I definitely recommend. I love it. And this is almond oil, also a very good product. You always want to moisturize your hair before you get to twisting. I still use the rubber band method. I do not care. My grip is not that great. Then I just take my crochet hook and I fish the hair extension through my parting section. And then I just start twisting. I gotta use this mirror to look at the back of my head to see where I want to add in the curly pieces. And adding in the curly pieces is the same as adding in the next color of hair. You just see where you want to add it and you line them up, and then you really just like twist it around the twist you already have and begin twisting them together. Hopefully that makes sense. But if it doesn't, I do have tutorials already on the channel for how to braid and how to twist and how to add in hair. So this isn't really going into depth, but more so just showing you like my process.
When Jeroboam went out of Jerusalem, and the two of them were alone in the open country, then Ahijah laid hold of the new garment.
The God of Israel, behold, I am about to tear the kingdom from the hand of Solomon, and will give you 10 tribes.
I usually don't dip my twists. I mean, I think it's fine if you do, but I just put on some styling foam or mousse just to give it that sleek shine finish, and here's my results.